Stop wasting your time doing push-ups the wrong way. Every rep you think is building your chest might actually be slowing your gains. Yep, you heard that right. Those sore arms aren't proof of progress. They could be proof you're doing it all wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your push-ups so every rep counts, every muscle fires the way it should, and you finally see the results you've been chasing. By the end, you'll know the exact push-up form, variations, and tweaks that actually build muscle, burn fat, and prevent injury. Step 1. Perfect your form. First things first, form is everything. Your hands should be shoulder-width apart, elbows tucked slightly, and core tight. Drop your chest straight down like a controlled elevator. Don't sag, don't flare. Think quality over quantity. 10 perfect push-ups beat 50 sloppy ones any day. Step 2. Engage the right muscles. Many guys focus on their arms and forget the chest, shoulders, and core. Squeeze your chest at the top, push through your palms, and keep your core braced. Feel every muscle working. If you don't feel it in your chest or core, you're doing it wrong. Step 3. Gradually increase difficulty. Push-ups aren't just about doing more reps. Mix it up. Diamond push-ups, decline push-ups, archer push-ups. These variations target different muscles and prevent plateaus. Progression is key. Without it, your gains stall. Step 4. Control your tempo. Speed kills, literally. Fast push-ups may feel like effort, but slow, controlled reps maximize muscle tension. Lower for 2 to 3 seconds, explode up for 1. Trust me, your chest and triceps will thank you. Common mistakes. 1. Sagging hips. Your lower back shouldn't dip like a hammock. This kills core activation and stresses your spine. 2. Flaring elbows. Elbows out too wide? Say goodbye to shoulder safety and chest engagement. 3. Partial range of motion. Half push-ups are basically useless. Go full depth. Chest touches hands level, arms fully extended. 4. Overdoing reps. More reps don't mean more muscle. Poor form plus fatigue equals wasted time and injury risk. Now for the 7-day action plan. Day 1. Assessment. Record your push-ups and check form. Identify weak spots. Day 2. Core activation. Focus on planks and hollow body holds to stabilize core for better push-ups. Day 3. Push-up form drill. Do 3 sets of 10 perfect push-ups, slow and controlled. Day 4. Strength variation. Try diamond or decline push-ups for 3 to 4 sets. Day 5. Tempo training. Slow your reps, 2 to 3 seconds down, explode up. Day 6. Max rep test. Do 1 set to failure, but only with perfect form. Day 7. Rest and recovery. Stretch chest, shoulders, and arms. Reflect on progress. If you follow these steps, your push-ups will finally start building the chest, arms, and shoulders you've been dreaming of. Smash that like button if you found this helpful, drop a comment with your biggest push-up struggle, and don't miss my next video where I reveal the top 5 calisthenics moves that double your upper body strength. You'll want to see this.